Hi, this is how to use a Sphero. First is to connect it. If you ask how to connect it, go into this EDU right here, click it, wait for it to load. Okay, now you see this. Now, right about there, you'll see like a little battery Sphero. Click it. Okay, now you will see a bunch of names. Okay, find your name. This one says SB1E0, and then we click it and wait for it to disconnect. Okay, it is now connected. So now you see right at the bottom, right there, you'll see a drive. So this big circle is very big. This makes it to drive. Look. Okay, and then the other circle, this one, changes the color. Look. See, it's changing color. And then
I heard you were looking for me yesterday.
have a great day. Bye.